Hello, I'm Carla Overland, owner of Cherrywood hand-dyed fabrics. Has this ever happened to you?
Do you struggle with which Cherrywood bundle to buy? Do you often want just a couple colors and not the whole bundle? Does your pattern call for different quantities of each color? Are you suffering from color deprivation? If you answered yes to any of these questions, ask your doctor or quilt shop owner about Cherrywood. Cherrywood is the safe, natural way to feel more confident about color. We now offer 200 colors of hand-dyed fabric that will help ease you into the wonderful world of quality fabric. Like to put your own collections together? Now you have the option of choosing from a glorious room full of color in every shade and tint under the sun. Selecting ingredients for a quilt just became easier with the option to buy just a pinch of this, a half yard of that, and a pound of another. You will notice the benefits of Cherrywood almost immediately, and with a regiment of regular doses, you can overcome any fear of color that may prevent you from making the quilts you want to make. Tactile deprivation will be a thing of the past.
Hand-dyed fabric may vary slightly from colors represented on your computer. No animals were harmed in the production of this fabric. Side effects may include heart palpitations, extreme happiness, chronic smiling, tears of joy, eye twitches, finger twitches, uncontrolled petting, uncontrolled drooling, increased creativity, increased compliments, increased adoration from friends, higher risk of winning awards, and color addiction. Objects in mirror may appear closer. Quilts in Cherrywood may appear better. May cause desire to lock yourself in your sewing room and not come out for days. May cause desire to stop using any other fabric brands. Quilters who are nursing or pregnant should definitely buy Cherrywood. Quilters who have a high tolerance for color may experience high levels of satisfaction or euphoria. Batteries not included. Sewing machine not included.
So what are you waiting for? Stop craving and start collecting with Cherrywood.
To order by credit card, call toll-free 1-888-298-0967. That's 1-888-298-0967 or visit www.cherrywoodfabrics.com.